So how fast will an e-bike go? Okay, this is a 48 volt 1000 watt e-bike kit, and it's got a 48 volt 15 amp hour battery on it. There's a look at the wheel, and this is totally stock, so this is basically just how it came out of the box. I haven't done any hot rodding. That's important to know if you're going to do a top speed test, or if you're looking to buy one of these and you want to know how fast it'll go if you don't do any weird stuff to it. So we're going to do uphill, we're going to do downhill, and we're going to do flats with it and see just how fast she goes. I've got this speedometer on it, and I'm going to try to get my GoPro on that while I'm riding so you can see it. All right, downhill. Woo, 38. All right, now let's see what we get on the flats. All right, sorry that I didn't get my camera right over the speedometer on this one, but you can see, or maybe you can't see in various glimpses as the camera jumps over the speedometer, that we're doing around 29. I saw it hit 30 at one point in this video. So 29 or 30 miles an hour is your top speed on the flats with this, which I think is pretty awesome for what it is. All right, let's take it up an average size hill here. Ooh, 20 miles an hour uphill.